Alright everybody, I got another RMT video. Let me flip the camera and I'll show you the video on my other phone. Alright, this is my other phone. Here we go. Let me turn up the volume. Gotta find a way to turn up the volume on this thing here. Haven't used this. Haven't used this in a while, so let me figure out how to turn up the volume on this thing here. There we go. Let me find it.
This is a test of the Texas Emergency Alert System. In the event of an emergency, this system would bring you important information. This test is now concluded.